Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa here, and today I have a layout for SpiegelMom Scraps. And for my layout, we are going to play with a rainbow of sequins. And so I have all the packages here, and I'm going to show them to you. So I have quite the rainbow of colors. So I have two of the new releases that are in the shop for July, which you, I believe, can still pick up in the shop. And I will have a link down below if you want to hop over to this shop. You can use Vanessa 15. It will not work on the pre-order for the sequins that were released this month, but it'll work for everything else. So you can go check out the shop and grab those July sequins or any of the other beautiful sequins that are in the shop. Now, not all the packages that I showed you are still in stock. Some of these are older ones. I basically was just going for a rainbow of color to match the florals that I was putting on this page. And so the shop definitely will have plenty of sequins to choose from to make your own rainbow. So while I was talking, I did go ahead and start creating my layout. I had stamped with the Sweetwater ink from Tim Holtz my background, and then I added some splatters. And so that created my background on that white cardstock. And then what I did was off camera, I put down on white cardstock this rainbow washi tape, which is from Pink Fresh. And then I have the die that cuts out all of the florals. And so I went ahead and cut those all out off camera. And I'm using the wreath floral to frame each of my photos. And then I'm going to do 2 clusters on either side of my title here with the individual florals. And I absolutely adore this washi tape and the rainbow of colors that you get. And so I knew I wanted to create something with this washi tape, and then I thought combining it with a rainbow of sequins was pretty perfect. I love that these sequins coordinate perfectly with these florals, and so basically here I am just getting the basic design of my page, and then I am going to go off camera and glue everything down. I'm showing you my Big Mama foam tape that I am going to use to pop up each of those floral bits as well as the photos, just to add some lift off the page. And once I had that done and glued everything down, I am now back on camera, and you can see my, many piles. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. My many piles of sequins that I have going on. So I've laid out a little clump of sequins for each of the colors, and I am just going to go ahead here and lay down the sequins in, like I said, that rainbow of colors. What I tried to do with the framing of each of the photos where I was using that wreath, I tried to turn the wreath so that a different sort of rainbow set of colors was kind of hitting each of the photos. And so I'm aiming for like the oranges and yellows and pinks and purples in that top one, and then more toward the greens and the blues and the purple in the second photo. And then the photo at the bottom, I have more the green going to the yellow to just a little bit of orange. So I want it to sort of play off of the colors and keep the sequins kind of tone on tone with where they were hitting each of the florals. And then on my 2 clusters around my title, I just added the sequins to match the flowers that they were sitting on. And so that pretty much is going to do it for this page. So lots of fun color. I love how this one turned out. Like I said, I will have in the description box below the link to the shop as well as the Facebook group, so be sure to hop on over and check out the Facebook group for lots of inspiration. And with that, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.